Making a successful career move can involve several steps. Number 1. Assess your current skills and interests. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and what you enjoy doing. This will help you identify the types of roles and industries that may be a good fit for you. Number 2. Research different career options. Look into different industries, companies, and roles that align with your skills and interests. This will help you identify potential career paths. Number 3. Network. Networking can be a powerful tool for making a career move. Reach out to people in your desired field and ask for advice or for an introduction to someone who can help you. Number 4. Build relevant skills. If you are looking to move into a new field, it's important to build the skills and experience needed for that role. Consider taking classes, attending workshops, or getting an internship. Number 5. Create a compelling resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume and cover letter to the specific role you are applying for. Highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Number 6. Be proactive. Don't wait for a job opening to apply. Reach out to companies and let them know you're interested in working there. Number 7. Be patient. Making a career move can take time, but with persistence and determination, you can achieve your goals. Number 8. Be open to learning new things and taking on new challenges. Number 9. Be adaptable and flexible, as the job market is constantly changing. Number 10. Be resilient, as rejection is a part of the job search process. Thanks for watching.